In life, financial emergencies are bound to happen. A car breaking down, an unexpected medical bill, or even a job loss can seriously affect anyone's finances. It's in these moments when having an emergency fund becomes crucial. But what exactly is an emergency fund? Basically, it's money saved specifically to cover those unexpected expenses, allowing you to maintain your financial stability without resorting to loans or credit cards that can put you further into debt. Today we'll explain how you can create an emergency fund in just 6 months, even if right now you feel like saving is impossible. This process requires planning, discipline, and small changes in your financial habits. But the results can make all the difference between security and anxiety when you face the next unexpected event. The first step to creating an emergency fund is to set a clear goal. This goal will depend on your lifestyle, your monthly expenses, and your needs. The most common recommendation is to save between 3 and 6 months of your fixed monthly expenses. To calculate this amount, start by adding up all your essential expenses: rent or mortgage, utility bills, transportation, food, and any other basic needs. If your monthly expenses are, for example, $1,000, you would need between $3,000 and $6,000 in your emergency fund. Once you are clear about how much you need to save, set a specific goal for these 6 months. This will help you stay focused and measure your progress. Dividing the total amount by the number of months you have set will also give you a clear idea of how much you need to save each month. Now that you know how much you need to save, it's time to analyze your current income and expenses. It is important that you are honest with yourself at this stage. Take note of how much money you earn each month and what you are spending it on. This will give you a clear picture of your current financial situation. For many people, this step can be eye-opening. You may find that you're spending more than necessary in certain areas, such as entertainment or eating out. These small expenses, which seem insignificant, can add up to significant amounts at the end of the month. The goal here is not to eliminate all the pleasures of life, but to identify where you can make reasonable adjustments. Maybe you reduce the number of times you eat out or cancel subscriptions you no longer use. These small changes can free up money that you can put directly into your emergency fund. The third step to creating an emergency fund is to automate your savings. Automation is one of the best ways to make sure you are saving consistently. When you set up automatic transfers from your main account to a savings account, you eliminate the temptation to spend that money. This may seem like a minor detail, but the key to financial success lies in these small habits that are maintained over time. Even if you can only save a small amount each month, the important thing is to be consistent. If you can put aside, for example, $100 a month, you will have saved $600 after 6 months. And if you can save more, the results will be even better. For many people, saving can seem complicated, especially if the margin between their income and expenses is small. But this is where financial creativity comes in. Cutting back on non-essential expenses can help you free up more money than you think. Small changes like reducing energy consumption at home, opting for free entertainment options, or making smarter purchases at the supermarket can make a big difference. All the money you save in these areas can be redirected to your emergency fund. Another option to accelerate the creation of your fund is to look for ways to generate extra income. You could sell things you no longer use, offer your skills in freelance jobs, or even explore the possibility of a temporary second job. Any additional income you get can be put entirely into your emergency fund. The key to completing this process in 6 months is discipline. Once you have established a plan and automated your savings, it is essential that you stay focused. Review your progress monthly to make sure you are on track to meet your goal. Celebrate every little achievement. If you manage to save the monthly amount you set for yourself, give yourself a small reward. Staying motivated is key to making this process not feel like a burden. Remember, every month that passes brings you one step closer to your goal. Once you have managed to build up your emergency fund, it is important that you use it responsibly. This money is there to cover unexpected expenses, not for impulse purchases or short-term desires. If you ever need to use the fund, make sure to replenish it as soon as possible so that it is always available in case of future unforeseen events. The financial security that an emergency fund provides is invaluable and will allow you to face difficulties with more peace of mind. Creating an emergency fund in 6 months may seem challenging, but it is completely achievable if you follow these steps. By setting a clear goal, analyzing your expenses, automating your savings, and staying disciplined, you will be building a solid foundation for your financial stability. If you liked the video, subscribe and hit the bell. Ready to start your own emergency fund? Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on how to improve your financial health and achieve your goals. See you in the next video.